Hello everyone and welcome to my backyard garden, and today we'll be growing mint plant from mint itself. Friends, there are many varieties of mint such as lemon mint, peppermint, apple mint, chocolate, spear and sweet mint, and today we'll be growing spearmint, and this is a spearmint plant and it's commonly used for cooking. It's a fast growing plant and it spreads rapidly, and it's perfect for one of your first attempts at growing plants. So there are three ways you can grow mint at home, and the best thing about a spearmint is you can grow them round the year. Now first way is you can buy a mint seedling or a small plant from the nursery and transplant it into a container or a pot or on ground as well. So friends, it's the best to plant mint in a container or pot, and try to use a wide border container for better results, and they grow very well in partial shade as well. Now I'll tell you the second way for growing mint. If you or any of your friends have got a mint plant, you can just take a long stem from the plant itself. I have few plants on ground as well, so today I'll be taking stem from this old plant. You can take this, should be good, right? And you can just transplant it to a container or any plant pot or on ground as well. Make sure that the soil stays moist, and within 7 to 10 days lots of new shoots will come up, few new leaves will come up. Keep it moist. So I have grown this plant by the same way, as it's been around 15 days since I transplanted the long stem. There were a few roots as well in the stem, and as you can see there are lots of new shoots and lots of leaves are there. It has grown really well. Now I would like to tell you one more thing. After transplanting this stem to a new pot, keep the pot in partial shade for a couple of days, and every 2-3 weeks add compost to it. Now the third way is when you buy mint from the grocery shop for cooking, you can take these stems to grow plant as well. I have removed the bottom leaves. You can just remove the bottom leaves and leave you can leave the few leaves over there, and you can just put it into the water for couple of days, and then you'll be able to see lots of roots over there, right? You can see white roots, fresh roots. Within 3 to 4 days these roots will germinate, and then you can transplant it to the pot, or you can put it directly into the pot as well. I'll show you how. But if you will germinate roots into the stem by putting it into the water for 3-4 days, this will speed up the process, and the plant will grow faster. That's it. It's really easy. So friends, try to grow mint with these easy steps, and it's very tasty, versatile herb. And if the plant is cared properly, it can last for many years. So hope you find this video helpful, and why not subscribe? Please subscribe for more videos. See you. Bye.